Hello everyone, welcome to Cyber Team. In this video today we will be going to use this tool, that is Ultra Tracker, and in this Ultra Tracker we will see different information which we will getting from the victims, and different information will be battery level, RAM usage, browser and OS details, exact GPS location if permission will be granted. So these all are the features listed below. So let's get started. First of all, we'll clone this, so copy that git clone and then we will go into that repository. So now we are inside that repo. Now we will make that requirement.sh executable using this chmod plus x is for executable. Now we will install all these dependencies, so we will run that. Here we are getting permission denied, so we have to use sudo. So this time we will use sudo and then we will run this command. Enter your password. Yeah, now everything will be installed, whatever the dependencies are required for this tool. Okay, cool. So this is installed now. Now we will get started and we will use this tool with python 3 location.py. So copy this and paste it into your terminal. This will start your tool. Okay, here are different options, like in option 1 you can see YouTube recrawl phishing. These all are the different templates: phishing, Wi-Fi phishing page, gift claim phishing, like you will see in different URLs that you will gain this gift, browser update link, and then Apple ID verification. So you can use all these 5 templates. We will be using one for the demo purpose. So yeah, now we will be getting a URL and simply you have to send that URL to your victim. So we'll wait for that, and yeah, so send this link to target. So you have to copy this and you have to send this to the victim. So now we will paste the link over here in the URL section, and now we will get that YouTube. Yeah, see, so I got my IP address over here. This is my IPv6 and city state, these all are unknown. We got the ISP details and the Chrome, like I have opened that in Chrome. Then the Mac OS I'm using, screen resolution, battery, RAM I'm using, like the variant of RAM, so I have 8GB one. After this, if the user is giving permission, so you will see here, yeah, if you will allow while using, like visiting this site. So after that you will be getting the exact map of exact location of that particular victim. So let's see here. I will, yeah, so I'm asking this just for, like, this is my personal information. So once you click on this URL, this is the exact location of your victim. So you can zoom and you can exact pinpoint your victim, and then you will be getting exact location. I have made this blur, so like just because I don't want to reveal my information, I will perform this same thing in my VM. So I will paste this link in codes here so that I can copy in my emulator of iPhone. So yeah, this link is over here. I will copy this, the same link which we have used right now. We will paste that link in the Safari browser. Yeah, so we have opened. So this is my virtual device. This is not the physical device. Okay, so here again one location pop-up will be there. We have to allow this, and now we will be getting the exact location of this emulator. And as you know, we have not given, like, this is not my physical one, so in this you will be getting the exact location of, yeah, so this mobile Safari, iOS version, resolutions and battery details you will be getting. And now you can see this exact location. As I'm using emulator, I have mentioned this earlier, you will be getting this exact location. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit like, share it and subscribe for more cybersecurity content. Drop your topic ideas in the comment. I would love to hear from you. Thank you.